Good morning everyone, this is Pradeep with a new video on Microsoft Lync. In this video I'm going to talk about how do you get connected to a person who does not have access to Microsoft Lync. If I talk about a scenario that I want to get connected with a Skype user, then me as well as the other person should have access to Skype. If I want to get connected to another person using Yahoo Messenger, then me as well as the other person should have Yahoo Messenger installed on their computer to get connected. But here I'm talking about a scenario where I have access to Microsoft Lync and the other person does not have access to Microsoft Lync. Then how do we get connected and do the online meeting? Here there are two ways of getting connected to another person. One is directly selecting the contact, so I can hold the control button and I can select all the contact who I want to get in touch with, and after selecting all of them I'll just press enter. Now after I press enter, you will see that all the people have been added to this conference, and that is called as group conference. And now I can start a video chatting, or I can directly call them up, or I can share my screen. However, if I'm talking about a person who does not have Lync, then how do we do it? Because all these people have access to Microsoft Lync. My scenario was if the person does not have Lync at all. In that case, what we can do is I can go to the settings option which says show menu and click on this option which says meet now. When I click on meet now, it will open a window and it will open up this dialog box which says use Lync integrated audio and video. I'll just click OK. Now it will give me an option to invite other people. Now do you see automatically one link has popped up here which says join information and meeting options? I'll just click on that, and here is the option to here is the link which needed to be sent across to all the participants. So I click on copy all the information, and now I'll minimize the screen and I'll compose an email, and I'll paste it here and send it to the person who is going to attend this meeting. Okay, this is one way. But this is applicable only when I want to meet the person right now. Let's talk about another scenario where I want to schedule a meeting which is going to happen in the next week. Then what are we supposed to do? So in that case, I am not going to use this option meet now because that is for instant meeting access. So I'll close this option, and in order to schedule the meeting, I'll go to my calendar, and let's say I want to do the meeting on 12th, or maybe today itself I want to do the meeting but after half an hour. So I click on join new online meeting, and here I'll write down the name of the person. Let's say I want to invite my colleague Sonali at techtrainings.net, subject testing Lync meeting, and this is going to be online meeting, so no place is required. I'll give the date as today's date, and this is I'm going to do the meeting in next 1 minute, so let it be 10:45. So here it is 10:30 to, let's say, 12:30, 1 hour meeting I have scheduled, and I just need to click on send. I can add as many people as I want, and Lync has the flexibility to add up to 250 users, so you can do the conference with 250 people or 250 attendees. So I click on send. Now this meeting is scheduled, and when I want to join this meeting, I'll just have to click on join meeting. Now since I have already sent the invitation to Sonali, now I'll move on to the Sonali's computer and find out how to get into the meeting because she does not have access to Microsoft Lync.